Hi, welcome to Art Draw. Today we're going to draw Venom from Marvel Rivals at the moment. So let's get in there. I reckon about here we're going to draw his head. Sort of big old shoulders coming down here and then the torso's about there. So yeah, I reckon about that point let's draw a nice sort of curve around here. So I'm going to start about there. Okay, and I'm just going to do a nice curve right around where his sort of the head is. So I'm just going to bring my pen up and around. Nice kind of curve coming right around here, sort of down to where his lips would be, sort of around there. Then I'm going to draw like the jaw area, so I'm going to go sort of leave a little gap here. Just going to bring my pen in sort of that point, just a nice little curve in. Then I'm going to come down a bit further. I'm going to just come out where the sort of the larger part of the jaw area is. Bring it down here and then down. Chin area is about there. Bring it up. We've got the teeth in that area there, we'll come back to that in a minute. I'm going to draw the shoulder areas now, so there's almost like quite a few sort of arches coming off his head, so they're like, I guess about here. Got a nice sort of curve, probably comes down to about that point. Just going to sort of draw in a nice sort of curve, sort of bring it down a bit there. On this side, kind of going to do the sort of the equivalent on the opposite, so just a little curve, bring it down to about there. Then we've got the sort of next muscle before the shoulder, just here. So let's fill that in. Nice little curve there. On this side, I think we should come down to about here. We're going to come out probably, well, looking at it actually, I think we need to sort of draw a little curve here first of all. So we've got a sort of muscle coming up, probably from about this area here. Nice sort of curve out downwards there. And then yeah, we can come down to about this point. So just from about maybe this point here, just sort of nice sort of curve coming downwards to about there. We've got that sort of Venom sort of, just that sort of hulking sort of frame. Now I'm going to draw some massive shoulders, so really big boulder shoulders. Going to come in a bit to about here. Just sort of bring my pen out really wide, nice wide curve and inwards there. And then I'm just going to draw the inner part of that sort of muscular part of his shoulder there. So probably about that point there. Come in to about here. Let's just mark that on there too. Now I'm just going to just sort of draw upwards, curve it around and up like that. Then I'm just going to let's pop in sort of the tricep area. So the shoulder muscle comes down here. Then about this point, maybe a bit higher, it sort of comes out, sort of the tricep part and in. Then the bicep sort of comes around here, so that point there, nice curve coming out, big strong bicep on him, and then down where it sort of pinches in at the forearm. Just going to draw a little bit of forearm muscle here, sort of coming down, so just bring my pen out and inwards and then sort of taper it down. Then this side, what I'm going to do is just nice little, as this sort of tricep comes in here, I'm going to sort of come in, it kind of sweeps around to the elbow point to about there, and then we're going to curve in, sort of bring it in there nicely that way, sort of taper it off there. We've got that big old arm there. Okay. On this side, this equivalent shoulder, sort of nice big boulder shoulders here. So just go under this little piece we've drawn here. Just bring your pen out, nice big sort of physical shoulder like that. And then we can kind of draw, it's like that, I guess it's like the equivalent bicep area. Just gonna bring it out, curve it in and around. Then I kind of show like the forearm coming out this way, so it comes up higher about here. And we're just gonna draw out, curve it in there, and we'll just sort of taper it off there. Now the other underside is about here. Well, I'm just gonna get the sort of the pec muscles in first of all. So I'm going to let's go from this central point, draw the first sort of pec muscle in here. So down from the jaw to about this point, I guess about there. What I'm going to do is just draw sort of a nice sort of curve in here, down to the pec muscle down here, and then I guess it must come like upwards like that. Then on this side, I guess it curves down a bit there, so just going to draw a little curve there, and then bring your pen around, around this way up to about there. It's got those sort of pec muscles in. There's sort of muscular areas at the top there, so I guess we've got one about here, one sort of coming up, sort of around, sort of this way like that. So we've kind of got that sort of frame coming in now. Let's do the back, sort of back going into the torso here. So just really need to do two curves, one here and one here. So from that bicep area there, nice curve along there. And then down here, we're just gonna draw a nice little curve, sort of little dots taper it off. As we come to this point, sort of got the rib cage coming in this way. So just draw that rib cage in, bring it in. And then the rest of the torso sort of flows with that. So it sort of flows down here, a couple of little dots out. Then I can just draw that other side of the arm here. So this sort of comes around this way. We'll just trail that off there. So we've got that sort of main frame of Venom at the moment. I'm just going to go around the edges. So this is like the main sort of frame part. So I'm just going to just sort of emphasize those sort of big muscles, sort of round him off a little bit. But here, bring it up there. Sort of like this sort of curves up, sort of this way around, just sort of thicken up sort of that head area there. Sort of coming around here, maybe that jawline as well, just sort of thicken it up. Just do those shoulder areas, sort of bring out the curves on him. Yeah, that's looking good. Just got those sort of outer sort of elements that kind of pop. So just bringing out those muscles. So we could curve around a little bit better, I suppose. I'm just gonna draw in a nice little curve around here to there. Just emphasising those points sort of around here, and that's cool. We've got that sort of main frame outer. Now what I'm gonna do, let's get in there, do some detail. So let's go in with the face. Let's get him looking like Venom now. So I'm going to do one eye sort of coming out here. So this is the main eye on the left. I'm going to start about here. Just going to do like a nice little curve up. So probably about that point there. Just going to draw a nice little sort of curve up there. It's all going to come back on itself and around. So just bring it around, nice little sort of curve in there. Then it comes sort of up to the head area, sort of downwards, wiggles around a bit like that, and then cuts in this way. And then we're going to just join it up, go further than where we drawn originally, down. If I am going too fast, you can hit the pause button, rewind, no problem at all, just do it in your own time. You can see already it's starting to look like Venom. Let's get the other eye in. So this eye goes over to the right, so it goes up right up to the edge of the head. So again, we're going to draw this sort of curve a little bit in first, so I'm just going to get the pen, just draw that nice little curve in there. This then sort of chips up on that side, sort of chips down there, sort of comes inwards. I'm going to draw this sort of curved bit here, so I'm going to come around this way, like that, and then go into the head area there. And then under here, what I'm going to do is just come down sort of this way, sort of bring it down in line with the face, bring it in a bit and down. So we've got that sort of those Venom eyes going on. Now it's got kind of like a bit of a sort of angry brow, so I'm just going to draw a couple of curves there, sort of showing that sort of brow area around. And then what I'm going to do is just pop in his mouth, so it's going to start looking a lot more recognisable in a minute. So underneath this point here, I'm just going to sort of draw around sort of this area here, draw around this point, just go up to that sort of menacing smile, right up to there. Sort of kick it in at the end so it's a bit more of a sort of grin. Then we can just bring the pen sort of downwards like that. I'm going to draw some teeth in here, teeth coming out here, and it's kind of like got his sort of gum underneath there, so I'm just going to draw a few little wiggly lines underneath there. Then I'm going to pop some teeth in. So let's start under here. There's sort of just draw in some little sort of arrowheads there for the sort of menacing teeth that he has. So lots of little teeth. So just get your pen to go up and down. Sort of his teeth sort of pop out a little bit. Come around like around the outside there. Then they come down on the inside. So we start about there. Start drawing these little sort of like scissor style teeth. Go up and down. Really sort of menacing in there. And around there. then we'll just go to the outside here. So keep going, they sort of flip out again. As we come to the edge, sort of just flip out a little bit menacingly, sort of come outwards side to side there. All right, cool. So that's the main sort of mouth. I'm just gonna bring my pen in there. And I'm just gonna draw a few little bits of sort of muscular detail. So just sort of neck muscle sort of around here, sort of ripple, sort of along sort of this way, I guess. Around here, just adds to the nice bit of detail, sort of ripple up here, sort of down there, sort of like that sort of hulking mass. Now they sort of curve up here, we're sort of missing a few muscle sort of elements here. So there's one sort of first part of the shoulder muscle that sort of comes around there. Then we've got another one that sort of loops around here, link it up there. And then there's probably just show off of a couple more sort of rippling muscles either side. Just a little bit goes a long way here. Just a few little sort of marks going along there. A couple of little ones in here, sort of as we go around this way. Then what we're going to do is just draw sort of a couple of little rib muscles sort of coming under here. Sort of just a few little ideas of those sort of come under this way. Then we've got the abs under there as well. So kind of like got a couple of little curves in there, sort of come down this way, coming out here, and then sort of the torso muscles come in there, sort of around there. Just a couple of hints of those in there. There we go. And there's also a couple of little sort of muscular bits in the centre there. And then what I can try and do is draw the Venom kind of spider going on in the centre here. So what I'll do is start about here. Just going to sort of draw a nice little sort of curve. And don't forget, like, the muscles going around here, so it's going to be a little bit uneven. But I'm going to draw like the top little parts of the spider sort of head going up to the jaw there. They sort of come around sort of that way. This one sort of comes up this way. Then he's got sort of two long bits go around the neck area. So I'm going to sort of really sort of come up and sort of come up right up to that neck area. Bring my pen back down. It comes down here around to this point here. Let's just continue on this side. So we've got another one, sort of leg coming up around this muscle here, sort of goes up this way, right to his back, comes back down here, sort of links through there, sort of a little V area there. Then that muscle sort of comes down there, and that leg sort of comes around, that leg comes around the muscle point there, comes down a bit, again. Yeah, it sort of comes down, then it sort of hits down to the torso area. So just going to wobble the pen about a bit. A couple of little incisors of this sort of spider at the centre here, kind of tapers in. Then let's just bring that back up sort of this way, sort of goes in a bit where the muscles of the chest are. We'll over that, we'll come out, we'll do that bottom leg under this muscle here, and then sort of comes around like under this arm here, and just sort of trail that back up that way. Right up to here and in. Little line there, we'll come up and down again to that muscle, and then just sort of lips underneath there again. So just draw a couple of lines, come back up here, down, and then we've got two more legs then. So we've got one comes up sort of this way, curve it right around sort of the chest, go up to the shoulder. This goes right up here, sort of a little arrow point there, curves and then goes right around this way, and then sort of comes sort of back down there and around. We'll just continue that, bring it in there. Then one last little sort of leg comes up this way, kind of kicks out, a bit like this one here, sort of kicks out sort of here and comes all the way up, sort of curve it around where that sort of muscle area is. Curve all the way down here, and then I think it kind of sort of kicks out up here a bit and then down like that. So we've got those nice little lines in there, just come out a little bit there. So let's just emphasize that outer part of him again. There we go, get away with that now. Yeah, that's good. Real sort of big muscular sort of Venom kind of look going on. Right around here, down to his jaw. Just emphasize that jaw. There's a lot of detail in here. It's just making sure he kind of stands out nicely. There we go. That's Venom from Marvel Rivals. Hope you like what you see. Please do like and subscribe. Bye for now.